Hi, welcome to Photon Academy. Let us solve some more problems. Before going into the session, how are you? How are you feeling the lectures? Physics is a wonderful subject, a beautiful subject. Have patience. Let us go very slowly, step by step. First, let us have the concepts in a clear manner. Then slowly we'll solve the numericals. Then advanced levels of numericals will solve of IIT and the JEE NEET examinations. Once you have the clarity of the concepts, number one. Number two, solving the numericals, having a practice, solving the previous examination questions, all will boost you with immense confidence. If you practice more and more, then it will really give a vigorous confidence levels. Understand? So let me take up one problem. First question here I take up. If a bar vector is 2i bar minus 3j bar plus 7k bar, comma, b bar is vector which is I bar plus 2k bar. Have the clarity, j is missing here. 2k bar and c bar is a vector j bar minus k bar. Have here, have a glance, I is missing. Then find a bar dot b bar cross c bar. This is the question. Find out a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Clear? Okay. B bar dot b bar cross c bar. Now, before proceeding into this question, a bar is given, b bar is given, c bar is given. Now, a bar dot b bar cross c bar is asking. First, you find out b bar cross c bar. Then, you will get a vector because cross product, the outcome, the end product is a vector. With that vector, you have a dot product with a bar, you will get final. Clear? Now, let us solve this question. So first, let us calculate b bar cross c bar. Okay, first b bar is our vector I bar plus 2k bar. And c bar is how much? C bar is j bar minus k bar. We need b bar cross c bar. So what is the cross product? Vector product is nothing but determinant of previous class we have seen I bar, j bar, k bar, the coefficients of b. Here I am writing coefficients of b. B is I coefficient, nothing is there means 1. J, nothing is there means j is absent means 0. K coefficient 2. C bar is I is not there, 0. J, nothing is there means 1. Here K minus 1. Coefficient of K is minus 1. Now, what is the determinant? Determinant here I solve. Determinant here I solve. First, leave the first column, first row. Observe carefully, 11th element, 12th element, and 13th element. Ith row, jth column. Okay, ith row, jth column. Ith row, jth column. Again, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. Clear? First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Leave the first column, first row. AD minus BC. AD minus BC. 0 into minus 1. First one, here I put it. Here I. Okay. Bracket, I bar bracket. 0 minus 1 is nothing but how much? 0 minus 1 into 2. 1 into 2, how much? Become 2 minus, because ith row, jth column, always determinant minus 1 to the power of I plus j. So minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2, 3 minus 1 it becomes. So minus, again j bar I am putting. Leave this column and this row, first row, second column you leave, and this into this, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 0 into 2, AD minus B, 0, plus I plus minus 1, I plus j, 1 plus 3, 4, positive only. So K bar I put it. AD minus BC, leave this first row, this column, third column, this minus this, 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 0, 0, that is 1 minus 0. Now, on simplification, minus 2I bar, minus 2I bar, minus into minus plus, plus J bar, plus K bar, plus K bar, minus 2I bar, plus J bar, plus K bar is the cross product. B cross C, we got it. Here, minus 2I bar, plus J bar, plus K bar. Okay, now we need A dot, A bar is how much given? 2I bar minus 3J bar plus 7K bar, 7K bar. And what is the B bar cross C bar we got? B bar cross C bar is how much vector we got? What? Minus 2I bar plus J bar we got plus K bar we got. That was the B bar cross. Clear? Now, what do we need? We need A bar dot B bar cross, A bar dot B bar cross C bar. What is the principle of dot product? Principle of dot product we have seen in the previous class. Simply multiplication of the coefficients. Suppose it is AX I bar, AY J bar, AZ K bar. This is BX I bar, BY J bar, BZ K bar. Then simply AX into BX, AY into BY, and AZ into BZ. You have to multiply simple coefficients of the I bar plus coefficients of J bar plus coefficients of the K bar. Since I bar dot I bar is always 1, J bar dot J bar is always 1, K bar dot K bar is always 1. Clear? Now 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2. Coefficient here is okay, plus What is this coefficient? -3. J's coefficient is -3. So -3 into J's coefficient here is how much? 1, 1, 1 plus K coefficient is how much? 7 into K coefficient here is how much? 1. Simplify this. On simplification, -4, -3 plus 7. -3 plus 7. So it becomes 0. It becomes 0. A bar dot. Okay. So the scalar product of scalar or dot product. The scalar product of A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Since B bar cross C bar is a vector, the scalar product of this and this is 0. Now the clarity. Yeah. Let us take up another problem. Let me take up another problem. Yeah. Okay. The second problem I am taking up is vector A bar having a magnitude of 4.5 units due north direction, due north, comma. Clear? What is the vector? What is the vector? The first question he has given is first one 3A bar. The second question he is asking is -4A bar. He is asking the 3A bar minus 4A bar. Clear? So have the clarity. For your clarity, here magnitude is how much given? 4.5 net, showing the north direction. Vector is A bar. Okay. Now let us solve this question. Vector A bar. So modulus of that vector magnitude, how much? 4.5 units. It is 4.5 units. Magnitude. Direction is how much? North direction. That means, yeah, if this is east, this is north, this is west, this is south. East, west, north, south. So vector A bar is showing, this vector is showing from origin towards north, A bar vector. Clear? A bar vector. Now what do we need? We need 3A bar. First question is 3A bar. The previous class, I told you that if you are multiplying a vector with a scalar quantity, the magnitude of this entire thing is multiplied with this number. What is the magnitude? Magnitude of 3a bar. Magnitude of 3a bar is this number 3 multiplied with the magnitude 3 number multiplied with the magnitude of a bar. So 3 into magnitude of a bar is 4.5. Clear? 3 multiplied with 4.5. Okay, have the clarity in that direction. So magnitude is always given by the number multiplied with the number with that. Okay, how much it is? 3 into 4.5. That is 3 5 is 15 and 13.5. 3 5 is 15, 1, 3 4 the 12, 13.5 units. The magnitude. And what is the direction? Observe the direction. See, if a bar is towards north, and if it is a positive number with which we are multiplying, the direction also the same direction. So direction is towards north. Direction of 3a bar is north. So magnitude is 13.5 units. Direction is also north. Since it is a positive number, 3a is also showing the same. 3a is also showing the same. North only. Here I am sideway by parallel mechanism I am writing. This is the 3a bar. North only it is showing. And magnitude is 3 times more than this. Okay. Now second. Second, what is asking? The second is how much is asking? Minus 4a bar. Minus 4a bar. Okay. Now, minus 4a bar vector is that negative number multiplied with the magnitude of the given vector. Minus 4 into 4.5. Clear? Negative number multiplied with the magnitude. So 4 5 is 0, 20, 16, 18 units. Is 18 units. So magnitude cannot be negative. It is always positive. But we are multiplying with negative number. Negative. The negative shows the direction. Negative shows the direction. This is magnitude. Magnitude. Modulus. Always magnitude is modulus. And this direction of minus 4a bar is, since it is minus, okay. Now observe. This was direction of a bar, north. Okay, this is x-axis. This is the east. Now direction of the minus 4a is reverse towards south. Magnitude is how many times? 4 times the magnitude of the here. So south. Since negative is showing a bar is up, down is negative direction. Magnitude cannot be negative. That number multiplied with modulus. Here I have shown minus only to indicate the direction. Magnitude is always positive. Okay. Hope you have understood. Have the clarity before solving the questions. If you like the channel, please subscribe it, encourage the channel. Thank you very much.